Approaching Rykas Cafe. So 2 joints finger, get ready. 2 joints. With my breezy helmet, 2 joints ang gagawin natin. 2 jonks. 2 jonks ka dyan. Take a picture, make a video for some stuff, and we'll go back home. Well, we have to go and make the roundabout. Roundabout and back. See what we can do, guys. Some shots for my helmet here at Box Hill, and the next shot we'll be taking we're gonna try and go to Buckingham Palace by tomorrow morning, so let's see what we can do. Well, yeah, I'm not the best at taking photos, but I'm trying. You have to try. And yeah, after he's still there. Is he stuck? Is he actually stuck there? Oh my days, my friend. So I have to see him down the hill. See you guys in a bit. So guys, sarap mag-ride. Anyway, nanahimik ako kasi nag-enjoy akong magmotor. Pero sumobra ata ako sa pagiging tahimik. Minaluwal ba? But yeah, on our way home now. Gotta wash our bikes for tomorrow's big ride. See you guys when we get to the washing